Welcome to our Easy Cruise Port Guide. The guide's for people who love cruises but don't want to spend too much on excursions. Welcome to Istanbul in Turkey, on the shores of the Bosphorus River, a city that is split between Europe and Asia. You dock right in the heart of the city in Galataport. What can I say about Galataport? It was jaw-droppingly awesome. It was one of the most amazing, probably the most amazing ports I've ever sailed into on a cruise. It's fairly new, it costs about €2 billion, and you actually go underground to go through security and reappear within a secure shopping area, which is just beautiful. It's a wonderful mixture of old and new. It's got a modern art museum. It's got lots of shops, some high-end shops, I may add. It's got eateries. It's even got this fella. It's a wonderful mix of east and west. It's very safe. Now, we ventured out of the port and we got the hop-on, hop-off bus. I really wanted to have breakfast in Europe and cross over to Asia. And the hop-on, hop-off bus did this. We should have booked in advance. We didn't. We just got it. It cost about €100 for 3 of us, 2 adults and a child. But it was well worth it. It took us all the way along the coast, over the Bosphorus, and we got dropped off at Beylerbeyi Park, which is a small park for families right on the shores of the Bosphorus. We were now in Asia. There were people fishing. They were fishing for sardines. It was tranquil. It was lovely. There were families having picnics. It was superb. So we waited for the bus, went back over the bridge, saw some of the sights, then went to the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, also known as the Blue Mosque, which was stunning. It was beautiful. We didn't have time to go in the mosque. We didn't have time to go to the Grand Bazaar, sadly, but we got the hop-on, hop-off bus back to Galataport. I loved Istanbul. I really did. It was friendly. I felt very safe. People are very respectful. We ate in a local restaurant. It was delicious. Look, I'll be honest, I like Turkey. I like the Turks. As I've said before on the channel when we've looked at our trip to Kuşadası. But I've been to other places in Turkey and I've always had a great time. But Istanbul was just another level. Most of all, I felt very safe because I find the Turks very respectful. One thing I wouldn't do though is drive around Istanbul. Some of the traffic is a little bit heavy, let's say. So I was glad we were on a open top coach. When, and it will be a when, I go back to Istanbul because I liked it so much. If we go on a cruise and dock at Galataport, we will go on the metro, which from Topan, adjacent, just slightly down the road from the Galataport Terminal, you can get a tram right to the Blue Mosque and onwards to the Grand Bazaar, which sadly I didn't get to see. I really wanted to go to the Grand Bazaar, but time was against us. We had to get back on that ship, not being on an official excursion. An amazing place. I would really recommend a cruise that goes into Istanbul. You dock right in the city. Galataport is by far the best cruise terminal in the world. It's modern. It's got old buildings within the perimeter. It's got a small market for souvenirs, local souvenirs. The people are lovely. If you need guidance with any local travel, such as getting a ferry, there's a help desk. They're helpful. Turks are very helpful, welcoming people. I've been quite a few times to Turkey now, and I always love it. I always look forward to going to Turkey, and you should too. So please explore Turkey. We stopped overnight. You could just stop 2 days in Galataport. It's that good. But get out there. It's a beautiful, mesmerising, fascinating city where East meets West and Europe meets Asia. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy cruising, and hope to see you soon.